At MD Aesthetics, we have a lot of options for people who have some brown pigmentation on their skin. What a lot of people don't realize is with brown spots, there's multiple different causes for people to have brown spots on their skin. The most common cause is sun damage and sun exposure. So that's something that we will treat, and we'll actually treat not just for cosmetic reasons, but a lot of our treatments, including some of our laser treatments, will actually help with the health of the skin, and that's really a focus of our center. Another cause for brown spots is actually hormonally induced pigmentation. And so there is a condition called melasma that we're experts in treating it as well. What a brown spot is, it's really an accumulation of a pigment in the skin called melanin. We all have melanin in our skin, and that's exactly what happens when we tan. We get a little extra melanin that's produced in our skin. But sometimes that melanin is accumulated in an area and just doesn't go away. At MD Aesthetics, we have multiple ways of treating brown spots. We'll quite often use laser devices to give really nice clarity of the skin and, in a way, fade or erase brown spots. In conjunction with some of our laser treatments, we'll actually use some of our medical grade skincare to not only maintain the results of the laser, but to actually get further results on the laser as well. A lot of our lasers that we use for brown spots will also cause improvement with fine lines, wrinkles, skin laxity, facial folds. A lot of our lasers will give a really nice textural improvement. So in cases where people might have some acne scarring or enlarged pores, those lasers are really useful for that as well. Another condition that we treat a lot of is actually a precancerous condition, which is related to past sun damage.
I would highly recommend anyone that's gone through cancer treatment, whether it's radiation, whether it's chemotherapy, or even a bone scan. It's really important that you have to feel good about yourself. MD Aesthetics will make you feel like nothing's wrong with you. You've overcome the obstacle. You will be a stronger person for it.
At MD Aesthetics, we really focus on comfort and safety with all of our treatments. Most of our treatments for brown spots and pigmentation carry little or no downtime. They are easy treatments to have done. We take every step to make them as comfortable for people as possible.
I had melasma from having a baby, and I also had some fine lines and wrinkles that I wanted treated, and the staff was amazing in how they dealt with me and making sure that there was no pain involved in the process. And the after treatment was really good as well with the products they provided to help me with recovery as well as to further treat the condition.